Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Can I make the screen bigger? Whatever. And I'm here with my cousin. Hey, is this you? And she's kind of FaceTiming me. And now she's, why are you dancing? Yes, yes you are. I know we played for so much, but yeah, at least they can hear your voice. No, sadly. Of course, of course. Wait, are you sheriff? Okay, all right, I'll let you know. Dang. No, I don't trust. I don't. You shouldn't trust anyone. You know what? I'm gonna go out to sacrifice myself so you can live. I'm going out to sacrifice myself. Can I make the screen bigger? Hold on. I'm gonna. I couldn't do that. No. Ow. Nobody's literally killing. I think the murderer might be AFK or something. Or is just scared to show up. I can't make the screen bigger without ending the video. There you are. Stay with me. Where should we go? I'm gonna follow you. Why? I swear I'm not the murderer. Oh yeah. That person's jumping. Oh, it's a clown! It's a clown! Shoot, shoot, shoot! It's a clown! Shoot, what are you doing? Dude, why are you not shooting? Dude, shoot! I told you! And you killed yourself. Okay, okay, it's my choice. It's my duty. I did. Ah! I didn't. Ah! Oh, I can't click spectate since I'm recording. It was a clown. Ow, my hands hurt now from clapping. What is? Ugh. Poor man. Why you do this? Why you clown? Yeah, exactly. Why you clown? When it's Christmas, I'll give you Robux. These are creepy, bro. Screw these emails. These emails don't work these days. I'm an innocent. Dang it! I'm a freaking innocent. Where are you? Dude, the weapon hasn't even been shown out yet. So, I'm innocent. I don't trust you. That guy right there, he looks pretty shifty. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Why can't I follow you? This is serious. Look, look, I got a firefly jar. What? I don't trust anyone. Well, I trust you. I trust you. I think so. That's pretty shifty. Just keep running. Oh, he's got a gun. I need these coins. There he is. Where are you? Let's go. Boom. No! can't hide. Look, over here. Kenna, over here. Hide in this little box. Actually, not this box. Follow me. Keep following. Where are you? There. I think it's that girl. She hasn't been shown up lately. I'm pretty sure it's her. Keep following or we're dead meat. Keep following. We're gonna be dead meat. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Not here. I thought it was on the top floor. I found it. Come on, hurry, hurry. Get in, get in. 2 people are dead in here. Okay, okay, go. 3 people are dead in here. Go. Get back here. Don't make a sudden move. Okay, there. They're good. We're good. Don't do anything. I'm scared. Me neither. It'll be funny. It'll be funny to watch though. Oh my god, I'm dying over here. Oh crap. Oh, I've seen a person with blue pants. That's the guy we were running from. Oh my god, I'm glad we did. Holy crap. He looked suspicious too when he saw us. He ran off. Gee. It could be. Where's blue pants? Blue pants. Wait, it was him! He doesn't have any blue pants on! I knew it! I knew it because she was gone. She wasn't with everyone. That was so suspicious. I was right. I'm just gonna chat same because I had my suspicions too. By the way, I'm an Elite, so that's why I got red chat, boy. Because that's what he said. I knew she looked suspicious, so. Oh, I'm innocent. I want to be murdered. Wait, why do I have no sound? Oh! What is this? What is that? Okay, whatever. Huh? I'm at the entrance. Oh, that's loud. Turn that down. Like 30. Huh? I can't trust anyone. Well, that guy has a pizza. Go up here, go up here, go up here. Oh my god, there's so many people here. Don't go here. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go. Go to our secret hiding spot. Yes. Run. Where is it? No, forgot. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. I found a secret hideout. Nobody can find me. Let's see if we can find her. Found you, moron. I found you. Oh, crap. I'll probably embarrass myself with the camera from dying. Oh, that hurts my ears. Oh, my ears. Oh. They did say something about the pants. The blue pants. Who's Angel? Who's Angel? Alice Angel? Oh my god, her shirt said Angel. Oh my god, you. Okay, there is a lot of tattlers in this server, and I don't like it. I'm innocent! I have a glitch. I'm gonna glitch. Move it, dude! Oh, they got rid of the glitch. Oh, they got rid of the glitch when they updated it. Crap. It's a blue guy! Oh, that scared the living heck out of me. Who is it? Who is it? Where are you? He's coming your way! Oh, he's good. You're good. Now find a different hiding spot. I really don't think that's gonna work out. Get in there, girl! Oh, you're almost in there. Yeah, turn to the side, girl. Okay, go. Use A. Use A. There you go. Good. I'm gonna keep track of where he's going. He's coming your way. He's coming your way and he can't get you. Oh, he got him. Where did he get you? Oh no, he didn't. No! I saw your death. It was awful. And this guy's hiding in the TV. He doesn't know where he is, but he's literally behind the TV. What, he just left? How did he get him? I didn't see him die. The guy that was still alive, I didn't see him die. How did he win? Oh, he left the server. I'm dumb. Oh, crap, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, you're Sheriff? Okay, I'll tell you who the killer is when I die. I'll sacrifice my life. I'm gonna shove it in this guy's face. Dude, because you've got the gun, they're gonna murder you! Put it away! Put it away! Oh, I saw that. No, 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 no! Dude, he keeps jumping! What the heck? I'm trying to get him. It's not working. He keeps jumping. Oh my god. Got him! Woo! 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 Jesus. Jesus. Heart is racing so fast. Oh my god, did you see that? Even though you died? Shut up, dude. What is this girl wearing? Come here. Come here. Look at her. What the? What the? What? Come here. Look at her. I'm innocent. No, there's a girl that's like wearing just a bikini. There you are. Okay, come on. Can you believe it? I actually hit that guy. Yeah, he kept jumping, and then I saw his little trick, so I was like, okay, okay. And then he got distracted by killing her, so and then he stopped moving, and then I'm like, boom! GG. Oh, it was Angel again. How do they know it's Angel? Do they keep ratting her out? Pennywise.